remote's working. I can't tell by the remote. Well, hello there, YouTube. It's finally warmed up. I still have a big drift of ice in the front of my house, and it's 81 degrees, and it still hasn't melted. It should go today, though, I hope. But it's huge. I mean, there was a big drift. We had a big ice storm a couple weeks ago, and it was like, man, 12 degrees, 13 degrees. We had a cold snap a day. Geez, this is 81 here, but it's really not. I don't think it's 81 yet. Well, look at there. He's moving. So I'm going for a ride today. It's Friday. We don't have the grandkids today. They're going on a trip somewhere for the weekend, so we got the day off. So it's such a gorgeous day. I'm off for a ride. Yeah, now this person pulled out in front of me. Now they're turning. I love it. Well, they moved though, so it was all right. So I don't have any news. We went to Cabo in January for supposed to be 7 nights, but my son texts us and says, hey, there's a big ice storm coming, and we'd have stayed and come home Saturday. We wouldn't have made it home because the ice hit and the roads were closed, and so everybody from Texas, the whole plane was full, came home early, a day early. I talked to these other people there from Fort Worth, so we got home Friday night. It was raining, but it wasn't freezing yet, so we got an Uber to bring us home. But if we'd have waited one day, we'd have had to spend another week in Cabo, and it would have been like a full price for like $650 a night for 4 more nights until the ice melted. But we all came home a day early, and it worked out perfect. So it was so cold, I went dressed up really warm, and I mean, it was like 12 degrees, so I dressed up really warm, went out the back, got my wheelbarrow and filled it full of firewood, and we had a nice fire the whole time it was really cold, which was great. That's the first time we ever used a fireplace in 3 years, and I bought my wife even liked it. She didn't want to get the fireplace dirty. So we never had a fire until this year. So now she likes it. She bought a new grate, bigger, heavy-duty grate, because it came with a cheap one. And she bought some fireplace tools. And she was even chucking the firewood on there. So she enjoyed the fire. It really made the living room cozy. And we were stuck. My grandkids had to get on FaceTime to see Grandma and Grandpa because they haven't seen them. We were in Cabo, and then another week because of the ice, so they haven't seen us in 2 weeks. So my son was FaceTimed us about every 2 days, and the kids had to see us. It was so cute though when we finally saw them. They both, Carson ran to me and jumped up, gave me a big old hug, and then Avery gave me a big old hug, and they missed us. They even tell us they love coming over our house. They love it here, so they always want to come over our house, which is great. I love it. But anyway, I'm talking way too much. Bye.